Hi, my name is Laura. I created the Hair Butler to help with hair extension installs. I created the Hair Butler to organize everything that you need behind the chair to do a hair extension install. There's so many moving parts to a hair extension install. You don't have a lot of real estate behind the chair anyway. So when you're trying to put even more things on top of more things, it gets very frustrating. It's a really fluid, it's almost kind of like a dance when you're sewing in an install. And when you're looking for things and you're in these awkward positions behind people's heads, you don't want to be like reaching over them and dropping things on the floor. I went in search of something to help me. There was nothing out there. Nothing that would help me organize my thought process behind the chair. It's very clinical, actually. It's kind of like a doctor. You want to set things up so you know where they are so you can get into the rhythm of what you're doing and not worry about where all your stuff is. And then to have your client see like the thread rolling around on the floor and then you're like picking the thread up off the floor, or you drop the weft on the floor accidentally because it gets stuck in your brush, or you go to pick up your tool to like tie a bead or something and you're like, oh my God, where's my hair? Now it's on the floor. The Hair Butler solves all those problems and it keeps everything centrally located, and all you have to do is work from the tool, and it's not in your way. You can take it away when you need to, you can bring it back when you need to, you can travel with it, and it has helped elevate my service. It's cut my times, and my clients all ask me like, what is this thing? Everyone has to have one. I feel like it's the only assistant you'll ever need because it's just right there for you whenever you need it.